Hi, this is James Kandasamy from one of the property that we had fire in San Antonio here. If you guys remember correctly, we did a video sometime in April of this year, and we just got approval from the city. So from April to now in December is almost almost 8 months to get approval from the city. And these are the challenges when you're doing new construction or new rebuilding, right? Just getting the permit itself from the city, it takes a lot of time. And this is city of San Antonio, which is considered fast. And imagine if you're dealing with city of Austin or any other cities, which is like it's going to take forever to get permit, right? So we finally got the permit, and we are doing the reconstruction process again. The good thing is we are not doing a reconstruction completely from ground up. I imagine that's going to take another 6 months to get approval because all kind of code issues. We are doing what we call as repair to speed up the city approval and also the reconstruction process and the inspection process as well, right? On a repair, it's going to be much faster compared to rebuilding from the ground up. So if you guys see, we have started work right now. It's December 2019 right now. And we are doing, we're just doing the remaining part of the demo to make sure the building is clean before we start rebuilding it again. So they're doing reconstructions, rebuilding again. And some of the next step here is to do the framing after they make it empty and make it ready for rebuilding again. And so the next process is framing, and we do expect almost 8 months to complete this project. So it's almost 1.5 years to from when the fire happened to completion of the whole project, and until we get a certificate of occupancy. So just for you guys to learn and know that it is going to take some time whenever these kind of things happen, but I think it's persistence and follow through and work with the contractor and work with the city. And it does take some time, but you're gonna get there. Thank you. Hope you all learned something today, and bye.